stress primarily comes from not taking action over something that you can have some control over. So if I find that some particular thing is causing me to have stress, that's a warning flag for me. What it means is there's something that I haven't completely identified, perhaps in my conscious mind, that is bothering me, and I haven't yet taken any action on it. I find as soon as I identify it and make the first phone call or send off the first email message or whatever it is that we're going to do to start to address that situation, even if it's not solved, the mere fact that we're addressing it dramatically reduces any stress that might come from it. So stress comes from ignoring things that you shouldn't be ignoring. Stress doesn't come from hard work. You can be working incredibly hard and loving it. And likewise, you can be out of work and incredibly stressed over that. If you're out of work, but you're going through, a disciplined approach of, a series of job interviews and so on, and working to remedy that situation, you're going to be a lot less stressed than if you're just worrying about it and doing nothing.
I'm going to disagree with one of the richest men in the world. I get what he's trying to say. Yeah, stress a lot of the time can come from things that we are not acting on or things that are not yet done by us. There's this concept, it's called CIA, and it's control, influence, and accept. And if you think about like a target, there's in the middle, here's the things that we can control. The next largest circle is things that we can influence. And then the biggest one is things that we also just have to accept. And so, even in Bezos' world, there's things that he has no control over, but you can't control the weather. You can't control what people say or do or how they act. And a lot of that can, in some cases, cause stress. Now, should you be getting stressed because it's raining on your wedding? No, but it's easy to do. Those are emotions that are naturally just going to occur in your body. It's not the stress that really matters. It's how we internalize it and how we decide to react to that stress. And so I think that's kind of where you get where he's coming, but he missed the mark just a little bit.